Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Freepods Lite. Basically, this is the unboxing and first impression video of the Oraimo Freepods Lite. So I told you some couple of weeks ago that Oraimo is going to release this Oraimo Freepods Lite into the market, and here we have it now. It comes with some fantastic features which I think you should know about. The first one here says powerful and dynamic sound, and a fast charge, HD voice in call, customize your listening. And here we can see unleash unstoppable sound, Avid based technology, and Oraimo sound compatible, so you can use it with your Oraimo sound app. Now let's move over to the side here. You're going to see the model number with the phantom black. That means we have the black color here. It comes in 3 colors, so you can pick any one you want. And at the back of it, you are going to see download Oraimo sound app, and you can see the specifications here, like Bluetooth 5.3, wireless range of 10 meters, playtime up to 7 hours, which I'm going to test in my review video, with input type C. You can also check if you get the original one using the authentication center. For the price will be around 11,000 naira. I can't say exact high or low. Oraimo will give you the final pricing. So let's unbox this guy. Let's see what we can find in the box. By the side here, you can see it comes with seal here, and seal under. So don't get the one with broken seal. Let's unbox this guy. I like to take off my things from the bottom. All right. And here we have the welcome guide, which is a little bit lengthy. So you can see your package content, download app, how to use your earbuds and controls and every other stuff like that. That's much. It comes with different languages which you can go through. And the next thing you are going to find is extra air tips. There is 2 extra air tips in case you care to see that. Let me quickly open that for you. So there you go. So here is just the small and the large. Then you have the medium pre-installed on the earbuds themselves. So I'll keep that aside for now. And the next thing you are going to get here is a Type-C short cable, which you can use to charge it up in case you want to. I already have a Type-C cable. It is recommended that you use the follow-com cable, or this cable that comes with it. And the last but not the least, the earbud itself. So this is how it looks like. Unboxing it, remove this polythene. Wow, this looks beautiful, guys. As you can see, it comes with an indicator at the front and Oraimo branding here. And underneath you have the Type-C port, and at the back, nothing there. And you have the reset button here, which you can see. So in case you have an issue with it or you just want to reset it, you can use the reset button. And here it comes with wraps. Okay, so you can see it is a bit transparent with some specifications inside of the casing. Now let's move over to the earbuds themselves. As you can see, you have to remove this sticker or seal so that you can charge it up. So the design looked nice, very cool and nice. As you can see, it comes with the Oraimo branding and not bad. It comes with some points which I think are the microphones. Let me compare the size of the Oraimo Freepods Lite to the Oraimo Freepods Pro. I want to see how long it is. So for some of you that are looking for how long it is or the size, you can see here now. It seems it's a little bit longer. Okay, almost same size. All right, so that's it, as you can see. So I'll keep that aside. I'm going to charge it up and tell you guys some things I noticed about it, and I'll share with you my first impression. Charging it up is not hard. Let's see. So it's going to be showing green. Okay, fading green. All right, so this is how to know it is charging, which is nice. I like this kind of indicator. So it goes like fading in and out, showing that it is charging. Excellent. Hi guys, so there's something I want to show you guys quickly in the manual. When I was going through the manual, why this guy was charging up. Okay, it's fully charged right now. That is about 15 minutes to charge up the first time charging. So when it's fully charged, you can see the light is no longer blinking or fading in and out. So let's unplug that. So when I was going through the manual, I noticed two things. Okay, this earbuds comes with gaming mode. In case you don't know, it comes with gaming mode, low latency mode, which you can see in the manual here. Okay, it's written here, low latency mode. You can press the left earbud for 1 second and it will switch to game mode. Another thing that I noticed here is that it says three ways calling. That means when there is a new call coming during the call communication, tap one earbud twice to hold the current call A and answer the coming call B. Long press one earbud for 1 second to switch call between A and B. Tap one earbud twice to end the current call, and long press one earbud for 1 second to reject the incoming call. That means you can switch between two calls when you have a call on this guy. That is good. That's a good one. I'm going to test that out and share with you what I discover. If it works, fine. If it does not, then you guys will know. So let me share with you my first impression and let's connect this guy up. I'm going to connect it up right now. Okay, you can see Oraimo Freepods Lite here. So let me put it in. That means when you open the case, it's going to connect. So let's connect it to Oraimo Sound. The Oraimo Sound app. Let's see if it's going to connect. I'm going to use visitor mode and add device. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, it is now connected to Oraimo Freepods Lite. So I'm going to select that. Wow, nice. So it has game mode. You have the equalizer, which you can use. I'm going to choose Avid Bass and air control. You can also do that yourself. Game mode, if you want to switch it on and on, you are going to hear a voice that says game mode. Okay, normal when you switch it off. I think that is pretty much it. I'm going to listen to music and tell you guys my first impression. This is very, very loud. This is very loud. Strong bass. It's really good. But I think that is the help of this guy is giving me that because of the Oraimo sound. I'm going to toggle off the equalizer now. Let me see. Wow. So when I switch off the equalizer, I notice that the earbud sounds a little bit high. The vocal is up there like jazz setting. Yeah. Like this jazz setting. So the vocals are at the front. The bass is down. So but you can use the Avid bass setting to have more bass on it, and it is very strong. So that is my first impression about it, and it's a very good one, guys. I can tell you this is nice. So you can use the discount code to get it that is showing right on your screen. This is going to give you 5% discount from it once it is up on Oraimo eShop website. Just use the discount code. Stay tuned for my full review. So I'm going to share with you things that I discovered, testing, and everything about this Oraimo Freepods Lite. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.